Let's get you a breaking update. What we are getting to know that the United States will now reopen its land borders to non-essential travel by next month, ending a 19-month-long freeze due to the COVID-19 pandemic, as the country is moving to require all international visitors to be vaccinated against COVID-19. When it comes to vehicles, rail and ferry travel between US and Canada and Mexico that had been largely restricted to essential travel such as trade, and since the earliest days of the pandemic, the new rules to be announced on Wednesday will now fully allow vaccinated foreign nationals to enter the United States of America. Now, this is coming across as an important move there when it comes to US now relaxing those travel regulations, and it will be reopening its land borders to non-essential travel by next month onwards. Now, both Mexico and Canada, we are looking at these two countries which have pressed the United States for months to ease the travel restrictions, and especially when it comes to the onset of the pandemic. Let me straight away go across to Bhakti, who is joining us from the digital desk in the Mumbai newsroom. Good morning to you, Bhakti. This is coming up after 19 long months when the United States will be easing travel regulations.
Yes, it's a massive development right now that the US is opening its land borders and specifying this, that they're opening their land borders here for all vaccinated passengers. It's after a 19-month freeze. Now, United States has been under a lot of pressure by Canada and Mexico to open their borders. It's important to mention here that the air travel is still going to require, air passengers are still going to require a COVID-19 negative test along with their vaccination, but the land border and the sea borders are open for all passengers who have been vaccinated against the coronavirus disease. What the US here has mentioned in its statement is that they will also additionally recognize the vaccines that have been approved by the WHO, which includes Canada's AstraZeneca vaccine also. Back to you.
Thanks very much, Bhakti, for that. As according to the officials, travelers entering the United States by vehicle, by rail and by ferry will be asked about their vaccination status as part of the standard US Customs and Border Protection admissions. And at the officer's discretion, the travelers will have now to prove their vaccination verified in a secondary screening process as well.